Hi, my name is Tavia and I've been a startup intern here at Newcastle University during my studies. Startup is part of the career service that provides this really amazing support to all students and graduates up to 3 years who want to work for themselves. Whether you would like to start a business, work as an independent professional, or have a portfolio career, whatever industry, skills, and specialisms, and whether you already have an idea or not, whatever stage you're at with your studies or academic research, and whether you want to start up right now, in the future, or maybe you're already doing it. And no matter where in the world you are at the moment, Startup can help you establish and grow. Startup support is available throughout the year, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. If you make an inquiry, you'll be matched with a startup advisor for bespoke and confidential one-to-one advice. Our startup advisors have first-hand experience in being self-employed and/or running a business. And together, they've helped hundreds of students and recent graduates to start up and grow their businesses or independent careers. With everything accessible online, over email, web chat, or a phone call, you don't need to physically be on campus in order to receive the support. Startup also provides useful online resources, including bite-sized video masterclasses, regular networking events, workshops, and webinars, plus these really amazing opportunities like equity-free grant funding, mentorship, peer groups, and special initiatives to help you launch your business or a career. But you don't need to take my word for it. You can hear it from some of the many business founders and freelancers who've joined the Started at NCL community.
The startup was instrumental in helping me start my business. It first started off with me meeting my business advisor, and then led on to me getting my startup visa, which then led on to me meeting my business coach. And all of this was able to help me get onto the Foundship program, where I was able to get access to grant funding, which all helped me to launch Kwesi Heke in 2018. I would also say it was really helpful being part of an active entrepreneurial environment where I was able to share my ideas, learn, grow, and also meet a lot of mentors.
What kind of support did I receive from Startup? When I was attending university, I indicated that I wanted to start a business, and they provided lots and lots of resources on how to go about that.
I set up my business because I wanted to work for myself. I set it up directly after leaving university, and I kind of created my own graduate level job.
So what I would say to any student at Newcastle is to use the startup service. They've been completely invaluable for me, not just as a place to go and talk through my ideas, not just with the people that work in the service, but also the people they bring in from outside. So that could be other graduate entrepreneurs, it could be kind of successful business people.
So find out more about what Startup can do for you and your career by visiting Startup website. You can get in touch with us by sending an inquiry labeled Startup through my career, and follow us on social media to hear more stories from our lovely founders and learn about upcoming events.